Choosing the wrong mechanical keyboard can lead to discomfort and inefficiency, whether you're gaming, typing, or just browsing. That's why today, we're diving into 5 of the most highly rated mechanical keyboards available in 2026. We'll compare their features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Stay tuned to discover which keyboard takes the top spot. It's a surprising pick that might just change the way you type forever. Remember, all the links to these products are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. SOLAKAKA, a 99 Pro mechanical keyboard. The SOLAKAKA, a 99 Pro mechanical keyboard, is perfect for users who crave a blend of performance and aesthetics. With customizable RGB backlighting, you can create an eye-catching setup that also enhances your gaming experience. This keyboard features a compact layout with 99 keys, making it a great choice for those with limited desk space who still want a robust typing experience. The build quality is commendable, providing a solid and durable feel under your fingers. While the price is competitive, some users may find the key switches slightly stiff for typing over long sessions, which could lead to fatigue. Overall, it's a fantastic option for gamers and casual users alike who appreciate style and functionality. Logitech G213 Prodigy Wired RGB Gaming Keyboard. Next up, we have the Logitech G213 Prodigy Wired RGB Gaming Keyboard. A favorite among budget-conscious gamers, this keyboard features customizable RGB lighting and dedicated media controls, allowing for a personalized experience tailored to your gaming needs. The keys are designed with a slight tactile feel, giving you that satisfying click with every press, which is perfect for both gaming and typing tasks. It's spill-resistant, making it a practical choice for those who might accidentally knock over a drink. However, it might not be as durable as some higher-end models, which could be a consideration for heavy users. Overall, the G213 offers excellent value for its price and is ideal for gamers looking for performance without breaking the bank. AULA 99 Key Purple Keyboard. The AULA 99 Key Purple Keyboard stands out with its unique design and vibrant LED lighting, making it an eye-catching addition to any setup. It features high-quality mechanical switches that provide a responsive typing experience suitable for gamers and typists alike. With its 99-key layout, users have access to all the essential functions without unnecessary bulk. The keyboard is designed for comfort, with a solid build and good wrist support during extended use. However, the sound of the keys may be a bit loud for those who prefer quieter workspace. Overall, the AULA keyboard is a stylish and functional pick, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their gaming or typing experience. Keychron Q6 Max QMK or via Bluetooth wireless 2.4 GHz/USB-C. Coming in at number 2, the Keychron Q6 Max is a true powerhouse in the mechanical keyboard world. This keyboard offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB-C, and 2.4 GHz, ensuring seamless integration with various devices. Known for its customizable features, users can tailor the keyboard's layout and key functions to suit their preferences, making it an excellent choice for programmers and creators alike. The build quality is premium, featuring an aluminum frame that enhances durability. While it may be pricier than other options, its flexibility and performance make it a worthy investment for those seeking a long-term typing solution. It's perfect for users who demand high performance and customization in their keyboard setup. Redragon K668 108-key hot swap wired RGB gaming keyboard. Topping our list is the Redragon K668 108-key hot swap wired RGB gaming keyboard, a fantastic blend of quality and value. With its hot swappable switches, this keyboard allows users to easily swap out key switches without soldering, catering to both gamers and typing enthusiasts who enjoy customization. The RGB backlighting is vibrant, and the customizable effects add flair to your gaming setup. It features a full-size layout, ensuring that you have all the keys you need right at your fingertips. The build is sturdy, providing a solid foundation for intense gaming sessions. While some users may find it slightly heavier compared to other keyboards, The quality and performance it delivers make it an outstanding choice for anyone looking for a reliable mechanical keyboard. Now that you've seen our top picks for mechanical keyboards in 2026, it's time to find the one that fits your unique style and needs. Whether you prioritize customization, aesthetics, or performance, there's an option here for everyone. Make sure to check the links in the description for current prices and more details on each model. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great product reviews.